If you're ready to grow your YouTube views and subscribers, read this one now. Did you know that YouTube has secrets behind their algorithm, and if you learn these secrets, you can drive huge numbers of views and subscribers to your YouTube channel? This easy-to-use guide will walk you through step by step what you need to do to take advantage of the secrets behind YouTube's algorithm. It's a must for anyone looking to grow their YouTube numbers and actually make money from their channel. YouTube has changed our world, from how we view video to how we connect and market, opening a new entrepreneurial landscape to ambitious individuals. Thousands of people generate 6 to 7 figures annually from online video content. And, with the right roadmap, you too could be en route to real influence and income. In YouTube Secrets, online video experts Sean Cannell and Benji Travis draw on a decade of experience as well as interviews with more than 100 top creators to give you a step-by-step YouTube success playbook. Whether you're a beginner or a veteran, this book will show you how to use YouTube to build a following, create a lucrative business, and make a massive impact in people's lives. Here's what you'll learn, things you can do right now to improve your channel and video rank in YouTube search, the secret video formula that takes advantage of YouTube's algorithm and encourages viewers to keep watching, secret hacks you can use to gain consistent views, even if your channel is brand new, the tools you should be using right now to track your YouTube success, everything you need to know about to optimize your video and channel for YouTube search, how to decipher YouTube analytics so you can measure what's working and what's not, how to find other YouTubers to collaborate with, in order to expand your audience, how to find awesome, royalty-free music you can use in your YouTube videos, no more copyright notices. You'll learn all these tricks and more. This book is free of cost. The link is given below in the description. Read it now.